What's going on, guys? DGWhipZ here, back again. I know I've been gone for quite some time. I've actually been doing a lot behind the scenes. There has been a reason why I kind of just stepped back from making the videos. First and foremost, my G's actually giving me a lot of issues. I'm having electrical issues right now, and I thought I fixed it because I had it running. It was boosting good for like a week, and then issues popped back up, and it's saying it's this sensor, that sensor. I'll place it, and then another thing will pop up. So I either have a bad ground or a bad wire or something. And I really hate electrical issues because they're really hard to find, and it could be one wire hidden somewhere and I can't see it. I don't know. That's not my particular strength, is electrical. I like mechanical and stuff like that. Electrical is really tedious and annoying, so I'm having issues with it. It is running and driving. However, I can't hit boost. It kind of just cuts out if I try to give it too much power, or even have it stall out sometimes. And it's just kind of running like crap. The engine and transmission is actually fine. I'm just having electrical issues. So I just need to take some time to figure out what's going on and everything. I'm never gonna neglect the G, by the way, guys. Like, the G is always gonna be mine unless I total it or something. Like, I'm pretty much gonna keep the G forever. So I'm never gonna like get rid of it or anything. At least I don't plan to. So I love the G. The G has been with me since I was 19 years old. I'm about to be 25 pretty soon here. And it's come so far from when it was stock. I'll probably put a photo when it was stock. And I got wraps, and now it's clapped out now, but it's boosted, so that's cool. So just to give you guys an update on what's going on with the channel, I've thought long and hard the last few months, no pun intended, but I really want to expand my social media presence overall. For a few reasons. I think I want to expand outside of the G35 and to go into car culture and JDM and everything a little more. Now, I'm not going to neglect the G. I will be updating you guys on there. However, I am going to be probably posting more general car content. I'm also going to be posting like stuff on TikTok and Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Twitter as well. I'm probably going to be posting funny content and just me being myself, because I really just want to be myself on there. I really want to expand and everything. I'm also trying to launch a clothing brand and everything. I'm selling car clothes and accessories and everything. So I haven't been doing nothing, guys. I have been working behind the scenes, and I've been doing a lot. I've been working 2 jobs. I've been doing a lot. I'm really trying to get things underway because I just haven't had the funds to do what I want with the G, and it's really been making me like kind of upset because I thought the G was gonna be further along this, but now I'm just having issues, and I'm still stuck at 350 wheels, 7 pounds of boost. That was only supposed to be temporary. I want to throw a built block in here, a built tranny, but everything that's gonna all cost like probably $10,000–$15,000 minimum, and I don't really have that cash right now. So I really am just trying to focus on getting my bread up. I'm not gonna lie. In 2023, guys, I'm just kind of taking myself seriously. I'm really just trying to broaden and try new things. Thank you guys for sticking with me. So you're gonna probably be seeing me post some silly stuff, some goofy stuff, but we'll be posting serious stuff as well. I do like helping car guys and everything. I am just going to be broadening and experimenting and doing a lot. So if you see me on YouTube Shorts saying something dumb, I'm not really being serious. I'm kind of just messing around. Just want to update you guys on that. I've already posted a few. I actually had some people like kind of be weird about me trying to be funny. I don't know why. I have made the decision, so this is something I am going to take seriously. I am going to be trying to, again, just build the channel and pretty much all social media. I'm gonna put all my social media right here. I'll also put it in the description below. Definitely follow me on my IG if you want to see me update the G. I'll probably be posting more pictures and stuff on that. But yeah, we got big plans going on, guys. I thought it was a smart move for me to just step back and take a break and really plan out what I'm doing, because I was just feeling a little lost. I was getting a little tired of like the redundant videos, and I was getting bummed out. I couldn't really do much for the G right now. So I have a plan I'm trying to execute on, and we're just gonna do it, guys. So stay tuned. So my clothing brand, I'm still working on a website right now, but you can still buy stuff. I do have a lot of clothes and hoodies on there. I'm having trouble finding G35 content because I'm not like designing the shirts myself. I am just outsourcing for them. I am still working. I'm still adding a bunch. It's not nearly done. But if you guys want to check it out, I have the hookup on the underglows. You can get the underglows I have. I'll even give you guys a discount down below. And it'll also help support the channel as well. So yeah, DGWhipZ.com, definitely check it out. But yeah, other than that, guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you guys again for supporting the channel and sticking with me. I know I've been abandoning the channel, but I didn't forget about you guys. So just letting you guys know, just want to update you guys. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.